Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how just in minutes you can connect with your LinkedIn leads as soon as they have done the form submission. So here in the setup, I have connected LinkedIn with Pabbly chat flow in such a manner that whenever there is a new lead or a new form submission on my LinkedIn, automatically a personalized WhatsApp message is sent like this. You do not have to lift any finger to manually interact or send the messages to these leads. It is automated. If you also want to learn how you can create this for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning step by step. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can build the connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly chat flow to send the WhatsApp messages and start interacting with the LinkedIn leads instantly. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks. You can use those tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch, name this workflow as interact with LinkedIn leads in minutes, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as LinkedIn automations and then click on create. Here workflow is created successfully, and now from here we are going to start creating this automation. Here we have this trigger box. Now trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically a WhatsApp message is sent, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking LinkedIn, and in the trigger event, I'm going to select lead notification and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here it is connection created successfully. LinkedIn is connected to Pabbly Connect. I have simply entered my credentials and LinkedIn was connected. So over here we have the sponsored account. You can see that I have all these accounts. If I open my LinkedIn account, you can see this is the Pabbly's ad account on which I'm working, and I will be using the same in this workflow. So I've selected Pabbly's ad account. Now as soon as I click on save and send test request, you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. So now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to go towards my campaign which I have created, and then I'm going to open the campaign where I've created a test lead gen form where I will be generating the lead via form submission. So I'm going to click on this apply now. Now here you see two of these fields are auto-filled. First name and last name, I get to fill these fields. So when you will be running a live campaign, your leads will get to fill all the fields. Here I'm going to enter the fields which I am provided. So I'm going to enter the email address as test@pabblytudes.com. I will enter my phone number, and then I will enter my company name, and then I'm going to click on this submit, and as soon as the form submission is done, all the details should be captured in my workflow. Let me open my workflow and check whether I have received any details or not. Let's wait for the webhook response here for a few seconds. And here you see 5 seconds ago I've captured the response. The email address is test@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number. The company name is Pabbly, and this is the name. Here as soon as we have received the details, we can say the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new lead, I want to send them the WhatsApp message. For that, I'm going to click on add new action step, and in the action application, I'm going to search for Pabbly chat flow. In the action event, I'm going to select send text message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then you need this token to create this connection. For that, you have to go towards the all Pabbly apps page, or if you click on this hyperlink, you will be redirected here. You have to choose this Pabbly chat flow access now, after which you will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly chat flow. On the left hand side, you will find the settings. You have to go towards the APIs and webhooks. As this opens, you have to copy this and paste it over here. I already have an existing connection. I've created this connection multiple times, so I'm going to save this. You will see Pabbly chat flow will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the details. Over here, I'm not going to enter the details manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / and then go towards the LinkedIn response. Now, first I have to enter the country code as written in the help desk. In the help desk, you can see that I have to enter the country code but without the plus sign. So I'm going to enter the country code, enter /, go towards this LinkedIn, which is this one. I have mapped the detail or the phone number. I'm going to enter the WhatsApp message. So here I have entered the message. I'm going to enter the name, which is this. So I have received the first name. I'm going to enter that. Hi Shubhamurthy, thanks for connecting with us on LinkedIn. We have received your inquiry and we are excited to help you. This is the message which I'm going to send. Now over here you see that I'm mapping these details like this, because mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. So here I'm going to keep the fields as default only. If you want to change this, you can do that, and if you want to enter something else, you can read the help desk given below these fields. Now I'm going to remove this dummy phone number which I have added from the LinkedIn response, and I'm going to add my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message on the execution of this workflow. And then I'm going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. We have received the response. Let me open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received any message or not. And here it is. I have received this message. Hi Shubhamurthy, thanks for connecting with us on LinkedIn. We have received your inquiry and we are excited to help you. So this is the same exact message which we have created in the workflow, and we have sent a personalized message like this. So this is how we have built the connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly chat flow using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automations, and before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.